Now I want you to learn and remember one thing: the practical self-defense is done. No matter what age you are, it is done with open hand technique. It's not necessarily always important to use gloves when you're messing with the bag. So open hand, train your hands, palm strikes. They're a lot more effective, far more effective. Palm strikes and finger jabs are far more effective, and elbows are far more effective than just throwing punches if you're ever in a self-defense situation. The open-handed techniques, if you can learn with good body mechanics, moving around, bending those knees, if you can learn them more effectively, and you can do about 2 minutes. If you can hit the bag for 2 minutes, solid, non-stop. If you can hit the bag for a minute, non-stop, you're going to find that your skills and stamina would improve. So you should strive for movement, you should strive to perfect that movement, you should strive for repetition, because repetition is the mother of skill.